I have to make another video. It's still Friday. I just upload the video for the cam adjusters. I found like I said earlier, I found the 4 cam adjusters that I'm gonna use. I prepare them, I wrap them, put them in place there until it comes the time for the installation. Oil pump. I have to find also an oil pump, right? Yay, lovely. I found... Wait. Oh, bullshit. Yeah, sorry, my bad. Okay. What I have done, I have found some guides that they don't have a wear and they pass the fault test. I just throw it down and didn't crack. That's a good one. The tab here that has, or here, it didn't crack. I passed through the petrol, now I have to wash with detergent, but it doesn't have a wear. It's beautiful, it's excellent. Okay, this is what I'm gonna use, and this. Timing chain, oil pump chain, the gears, intermediate gears for the, that's rolling here, for the cam adjusters, yeah. 16 hydraulic lifters that I haven't bleeded, I haven't cleaned it yet, I just passed through the petrol. The housing, I found it. Couple of other stuff here and there. The rubber, it's all in place. It's gonna be silent. The bush, it's nice. It's decent inside. It does have an extra wear. We're looking good. Let's go back to the point. Why I start the video? Yeah, for the oil pump. Like any other case, I'm opening the oil pumps, a used one, to see that they're healthy before I use them. Now, couple of things. The shaft, you're never gonna have any problem. The impellers, it's very difficult to have a problem, except if you get stainless steel, and like this one, at this point here, you see one mark, it grab here, this one, it grab stainless steel. Alright, so I don't even know from which car is this pump. It's from an M156, from a C63, okay, I don't know how it ended up to me. Alright, now the housing here, when it's running the shaft, it's perfect. There is no run out. The same thing also the housing back over here. There is no run out to make this movement, the shaft, when you put in place. That's nice and good news, right? Yeah. Wait until we finish. Then here we have the housing. It's been compromised. Here, it's supposed to don't be like that. Whatever, continue up to here. Here, yeah, but not that much. Escaping oil from here and here, keep in mind. Same shit here, same thing here. It's not healthy, it's not the best. Alright, then inside we see some scoring here. Here it's much worse. See this line? It's supposed to don't be like that. Then there is another line here, another line here. This most probably is from exploded engine. This pump belongs to an engine that exploded. And then you have also back over here some marks, not that much, a little bit more here, but this doesn't matter at this point here. This is healthy. This part is healthy. This part is 50%. This I don't want to use it because I show you the scoring inside, how it looks like. One impeller, it get one shrapnel here, and what I leave for the end. No, one second, let's see also the valve. The valve, it has some scoring. It's not good to have any lines here for the pressure, okay? And then I leave for the end the screen. I open the bolt and I saw that it has some stainless steel pieces inside. Yeah, see what's going on? This, yeah, that's why. What's that lifter? Oh boy, take a look. This supposed to be I was right that I leave it for the end to see that at the end. Alright, so I can say now for sure that this pump, it digests, it suck some pieces from the hydraulic lifter, because this one, this is supposed to be the top of the lifter. Alright, now, oh boy, no worries, it's not for final. Yes, that's the inner part of the lifter. I don't know if you can see. No, It's even worse there. Just a second, let's put it here. That's the inner part of the lifter, and that's the outer, where it's running the camshaft. Yep, alright. So, now, the question now, okay, Tassos, why in hell there is also the safe, the small safe? Yeah. So Tassos, why the fuck, why in hell you are keeping this pump? Guess what? I'm gonna keep this pump for parts. I'm not gonna throw it. I'm gonna put it back together. I'm gonna explain why. In the past, I have done this, I don't know, 100 times, 1,000 times. I don't even remember how many times. Out of 2 pumps, I have built one healthy pump and still running till today. Alright? And here, under the rug, I have another 2 oil pumps for the M156, C63, 204. Okay? So, I guess out of these 3 pumps, I will gonna find one healthy one to put it on, right? If has, let us say, if I open one and has some scoring inside, no, if it doesn't have a scoring but has a scoring the valve, I can deal with that. I can find the healthier parts out of 3 pumps and close one. It's all of them that are extensible. There is no problem at all. Alright, let's see. This, I already know what's the problem with this one. I saw it. Let's open also the rest now. Continue, moving on. Lovely. You think it was so easy, eh? You think it was the difficult thing was to match the run out of the pistons with the cylinders, or to make the piston ring up, or to check the clearance for the crank main bearings, let us say, that still don't have it, or to lap the valves and put the valve seals, or to find 4 healthy cam adjusters, or to find 4 healthy camshafts. Camshafts later on, we're going to show you they're healthy, they don't have any problem, it's not being compromised. It's involving so many things, like I said. There are so many things. This is also another headache. I have to heat it down. I'm getting this. One second, just a second. I'm getting one piece of nylon like this. I'm mounting the lifters on it. Then I'm putting masking tape, and then I have to throw it on the floor to come out the valve that has inside. The check valve. And I have to do it in all of them. And I have to do it one at a time, actually. Yeah, lovely. Story of my life. Moving on with the pump. Yeah, back to the point, right? Yeah. Alright. I didn't clock the gears and I didn't torque it down. I just place it all together to be one part. So don't mix it up with the rest. Alright. Now, I said that I have another 2 tries, right? Leave this there. Start with this. I just open the screen. And then you see some shrapnel here, here. This looks like it's aluminum, it's not stainless steel. You know, this looks like a piston, to be honest. Let me open it, let me have a look on it. Dang it, I'm not gonna have a fucking oil pump. What should I use there? Oh boy, I have an oil pump for a M159 for SLS, but it's for a dry sump. You cannot put it. Yeah. Let's see that together. This is, dang it, it reaches here. This is the oil control ring. This is a piece of the oil control ring. I don't have any healthy oil pump. This is a piece of the piston. I was expecting that. And it's the cast piston. What else we have here inside? Ah, this is from a valve seal. This is supposed to be the spring from a valve seal. Here has an oil control ring, has a piston, and has also this supposed to be from a valve seal. Maybe. I mean, yeah, from where else? Amazing, beautiful, lovely. Let's open also this piece of thing to see how it's gonna be. This supposed to be same like this. Yeah. It's from a valve seal. Oh boy. Let's open also this. Why not? We have plenty of parts. I'm curious to see what I'm gonna find here inside. Nice, that's a good one. That looks promising. Okay, leave this for the end. What's missing from this? It's missing only the 2 pins. Yeah, I can steal it from this one or from this one, right? Yeah. Alright, keep this here. Let's see what kind of problem it has here inside. What did I found at the rear screen? That was the front one earlier, that's the rear one. Some sealant, and this is a piece from the oil level sensor. My only hope it's that pump. My only hope. Let's continue, move on. Alright, also the third pump open. The shafts are in much better condition than on this, because you see where's the polished mark on the impeller, and I don't like a bit here that's shiny, and I can barely feel it. Here there is nothing. Here it's beautiful. Alright, but inside on the housing there are these 2 marks. I can feel these marks. From this side it's much better. So you already know what I'm gonna do, right? The same thing what I'm doing all the time. Story of my life. Finding this, forget it. There's nothing healthy on that. It might be the gears front. Maybe the gears will gonna be better. Okay, finding from 3 pumps the best parts, taking the gears to see how much wear has its gear, see which from the small gear, let us say, from these 3, which one's the best. Put aside. Same thing for the big one, same thing for the housing, same thing for the shafts, same thing for everything. This not that much, less parts from there, more parts from these 2. Okay, I have to double check it again, but I think that I'm gonna use this housing because it looks much more clean to me. And I clean my ass. See, has a scoring here back. This is the primary. This is for the engine, and this is from where it's taking to dump back the oil. This and this. Alright, so it's what I mean by that. I don't care that much for this set from this side of the pump, because this is responsible to suck the oil from here and dumping back in the oil pan. Alright, it's like semi-dry sump. This is from where it's picking up the oil, and it's responsible from this point to supply with oil crankshaft, bearings, connector bearings, and all the rest. So I need this piece, I need this side to be spotless, to be as better as possible. And this is secondary. This doesn't matter that much. It matters, but not that much. Alright, let me see what I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna show you before I close it which parts I choose. And this is the pump that I'm gonna put together. These 2, nope, this is not good. It will gonna run, it will gonna pump oil at operation temperature. You're not gonna have a good pressure. Alright, it's not the ideal. This one, this is good only for parts. This will gonna run, it will gonna be like 150,000 kilometers if I had to guess. You're gonna run fine, this one, but this will gonna run even better. This will gonna be not more than 40-50,000 kilometers. They wear, and that's my target actually, to don't be high, to don't end up to be high mileage, don't end up to have parts for high mileage. So I'm gonna wash it, assembly oil, and let's put it also together, close it. The only difference here is gonna be that the 2 gears are gonna be torqued down final on the engine, not down. All the rest is gonna be torqued down, but the 2 gears are gonna be on the engine. Alright, this also for me, so don't forget it. Yay. And that's it with the pump. 2 things remaining: to put the new seal in place and to torque down the gears on the engine when it comes the time. It spins beautiful, it sounds nice. Assembly oil inside, classic. wrapping with nylon until it comes the time for the installation. Seal here and the o-ring that comes here, yeah, and the bolts. Not today, tomorrow with the rest of the parts. That's it, have a good night, I'm going home.